Children's Day speech for students in simple words. Good morning to all, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today, we are here to celebrate Children's Day, a very special day for all of us. Children's Day is celebrated on November 14th every year in India. This day is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Pandit Nehru loved children very much, and children called him Chacha Nehru with affection. He believed that children are the future of the nation and should be nurtured with care and love. On this day, schools and communities organize fun activities, games, and programs to make children feel special and happy. Children's Day reminds us that we should work hard, learn well, and grow into good citizens. Teachers and parents play an important role in guiding us and helping us reach our dreams. Let's celebrate this day with joy, laughter, and the promise to do our best in everything. Thank you for listening. Happy Children's Day to everyone.